Yeah, before going into event management, I actually need to tell you something about another component called the radio box and uh, the radio button and button group because the our TMA will require that. So now we want to introduce more component to the GUI demo. Remember, just now when we were doing the GUI demo, we were experimenting with the border layout, and it turned out as such. Now we're going to introduce more component to the frame here. The first things we want to introduce is the J radio button. Okay, and usually we will have more than one. So then we can say buttons equal to new J radio button. Okay, let's say we have two. Now and then also introduce another thing called button group BG. Okay, uh, this one equal to new button group. Button group is actually a uh, a, a containers, so you can add things to the button group, and what it will do is that uh, the button will become exclusive to each other. If one of them get clicked, the other one would be not click. And let's say in this case there are two buttons here. So after creating this, what we would like to do here in our program is to add the okay, before that we will set the button, uh, the the radio button, okay, 0 to be new J radio button, uh, let's say month, and this one will be click on, will be so-called on, and the buttons, the next one actually is also a radio button, but it has the titles years, and it will be false. It will not be click on. So there's one of them that is clicked. Now what happened is that you will also want to add this one to a button group. So button 0 as well as buttons 1. So once these are two added to the button group, uh, only one of them would be true. All right. Now in the case, now here this one is the month. It will be clicked. Okay, the button will be clicked on. And after that, of course, we need to still make it displayed. So we will add it to the uh, panel as well. Panel buttons 1 or add 2. Right. This one is for display for the panel, and this one is for controlling the exclusiveness. Right. Control the exclusive on. Yeah. And this one is to allow them to be displayed. All right. Okay, with this, now we compile. We are still, oh, okay, then of course we need to mention how to display this. So we know, okay, let's say we don't want to use border display in this case. So we will comment off the border display now. Let's use the, let's still use the float, so-called, how about the grid layout? let's use the grid layout. Let's say now we have how many? We have how many columns? 6. So let's 6. Then we will have 3 rows and then 2 columns, right? So now we compile. Okay. So now if you display this one, yeah, you will see, okay, 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, this is the original one, and then we got this one. Now you will see actually this, uh, if you click on the yes, it will be click on, then this one would automatically to be off. So that's because of the button group they belong to. So only one of them can be clicked on. So this one, this behavior does not require event handling. While on the other hand, the now if you have a button here, you click on, there's no reaction. So this one needs event handling. But once you put it into the button group, the event handling is handled by button group automatically, so you don't need to worry about that. And that's important because in your assignment, you will use something like this. You will need to use something like this. Okay? So that's why I added this part to the recording so that you can review it. And that's all.